and the sounds of the English alphabet. Now, are you ready? Let's go. We have the first one, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. You can also say Z. Of course, whichever one you choose is okay. Now, these are the names of this English alphabet. Let's now talk about their sound, because we know to know their sounds, because it's on these sounds that we are going to have enough of our lessons. Now, are you ready to go with me? Now, let's go. We have A. Remember, don't say A or E. No. The sound is A. We have B, D, E, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. My name is Larry Adiradio. Thanks for watching. Bye.